Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Lock screen access lets notifications and controls appear without unlocking your iPhone. This can expose messages, widgets, and control center items to anyone holding your device. Turning off lock screen access improves privacy and reduces accidental actions while preserving normal unlocked use. We will open settings and make targeted changes to notifications, Face ID and passcode options, and control center. Follow each step slowly and verify behavior after each change. You can reverse any change later by returning to the same. Open settings and tap notifications to control lock screen alerts. Scroll through apps and disable lock screen notifications for apps you want hidden. Tap Show Previews and select when unlocked to hide message content until authentication. Return to the home screen and swipe right to view widgets on the lock screen. Scroll to the bottom and use Edit or Customize to remove widgets you do not want visible. These actions stop sensitive information from appearing before you unlock the iPhone. Open settings and choose Face ID and passcode to adjust lock screen features. Enter your passcode when prompted to access these options securely. Disable Control Center on lock screen to prevent quick access without unlocking. Turn off wallet access from the lock screen to stop card previews and transit access. Scroll to allow access when locked and toggle off items like reply with message and home control. Use the require attention options to tighten Face ID behavior and protect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.